Alright, we have a Pythagoras Theorem question here, which is part of this very, very big topic in secondary school mathematics of trigonometry. So Pythagoras Theorem is part of trigonometry. Now, a right-angled triangle has a hypotenuse of x plus 9. So let's draw that out. Okay, so over here is x plus 9. That's the hypotenuse. The other two lengths are x plus 1 and x plus 1. Find the area of these triangles. To find the area of this triangle, you need to know what's x, right? Because you need to know what's the base, and from there you'll be able to find the height as well, because it's just plus 1. Okay, so how do you link? The question is, how do you link up these three lengths? That's where Pythagoras theorem comes in. By using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we have x plus 9 whole thing squared is equivalent to x squared plus the other length squared. So this is where you got to do some expansion. So use a plus b squared formula. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equals to x squared plus a squared plus 2ab plus x plus b squared. Okay, so this becomes x squared plus 18x, 2 times 9 is 18, plus 81 equals to 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, you can bring everything to the left or to the right. In this case, I rather bring this to the right side so that I get a positive x squared. It's easier to deal with that. If you want to bring it to the left, that's totally fine as well. Okay, so 0 equals to 2x squared. Let's use this color here. 2x squared minus x squared. 2x squared minus x squared. 2x minus 18x. 2x minus 18x. 1 minus 81. 1 minus 81. So this becomes x squared minus 16x minus 80, and everything is equals to 0. Alright, so you can just rewrite it this way. And now this is something we need to solve. Now how do we solve this? We can try and use the cross method. Okay, so when you use the cross method, you get x squared minus 80 here minus 16x. Alright, so there are so many ways to get 80, but the winning combination for this will be 20 and 4. So you get negative and positive here. Negative 20x will be here, positive 4x will be here, and your factorized answer is x minus 20, x plus 4, everything is equals to 0. So x is equals to 20 or x is equals to negative 4. Okay, this is obviously rejected because x is a length over here. Okay, it cannot be negative, right? So x is 20, and you can find the height as well, which is x plus 1. There's 20 plus 1, there's 21. So go back to the diagram. X is 20, this is 21, and we're able to find the area. Therefore, area will be half times base times height. So this will give us an answer of 210 square centimeters. Okay, there should be some units in this question. I believe this should all be in centimeters. Okay, final answer for this question, 210. Ding ding.